So now, repressurize. Like, it's supposed to be 200, but I normally like to put 210. All right? Like nitrogen. All right? And then come over and let's see what's going on with my spot. So far, so good. Yeah. No leak. A lot of people like to cut out people wear AC lines and put all these compression fittings and all that stuff. You don't need to do that. If you find somebody good, just let them weld a new section in. You know, and you get your front and your rear working. See? Now, we're just gonna put her all back together. And that's it. And then again, I don't even know why this thing keeps out of focus.